Hello again. This is Chef Maurice, and welcome to MixAPlate Kitchen Lunch Hour. This is for a private event, and I am doing about 4 different dishes today by special request. This one was done, and I'm taking some time to present it to you. Okay, so this is your curry chicken with some kale and my special curry sauce. Freshly made sauce. Some dishes are served with the black rice, the forbidden rice as it is known. And I don't get a chance to do many videos. My staff is limited. It's just one prep and myself who cook the dishes. But I will be, this channel will start to do some how-to. We show you how we get this done from beginning to end. So please subscribe and look and keep subscribe, and within a week or so I'll be doing many how-to. This is my way of doing my signature way of serving my rice. If you have seen this rice served this way anywhere, it is I who have done that. I have a special tool that I made specifically to shape my rice like that, and I've been using it for about 10 years, about 10 years. So if you've seen this rice shaped in this form, it was done by me, no one else, just me. Like I said, I have a special tool which I have made specifically to shape my rice in this way. Again, this is MixAPlate. MixAPlate Kitchen. Subscribe. I'm also on Instagram under MixAPlate. MixAPlate. You can put it one word is best. MixAPlate, one word. On YouTube, MixAPlate Kitchen, or you can search for Chef Maurice Coley, Coley, and you will be able to pull up my work. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at MixAPlate. On Facebook, MixAPlate, MixAPlate, MixAPlate. I am opening up a bistro and wine bar this year, so follow along and subscribe and